friends, thanks for stopping by. Hope you're all having a great day. It is mighty chilly here in Florida. It was 38 degrees when we woke up this morning. I know. All my friends that are suffering with 20 below are saying, shut up, crazy Miss Tammy. So I will about the weather. I already have a mask on my face, which we are going to talk about at the end of the video. And we'll see the results from the mask. It's my first time using this mask. If you follow me on Instagram and you saw my Insta story, I did my very first unboxing, and I'm so proud of myself. But anyway, I did my first unboxing. Colleen Rothschild is having her 6th year anniversary. This video is in collaboration with Colleen Rothschild. She did send me 4 of the products. I have used all 4 of the products in the past, except for the one that is on my face right now. But I also have many other Colleen Rothschild products that I have purchased from her, and I have purchased several times. So, and I've been talking about Colleen Rothschild products for a long time. All right, so let's get started. The first product is her Radiant Cleansing Balm. I'm sure you've heard many people talk about this. It is such an easy cleansing balm to use. All you do is take a little bit, massage it right over your makeup. I did use it on clean skin today, first in the morning. You can use it any way you choose. It completely dissolves all makeup as well. It has moringa oil, which restores luminosity. It has Lipixel, which combats dehydration. It also has black seed oil, which gives you antioxidant protection. And it has an aromatic complex that calms and decongests. All of Colleen's products are formulated without parabens, SLS, SLES, sulfates, phthalates, triclosan, formaldehyde, PABA, toluene, and benzene. I absolutely love this cleansing balm. Cleansing balms are my preferred method of removing makeup. All right, so that's the cleansing balm. Next up is Colleen's Micro Mineral Resurfacing Scrub. This is a new product in Colleen's skincare lineup. I did talk about this in my skincare favorites of 2019. This product came to me very late in the year and I fell in love with it. I also wanted to mention for the Colleen Rothschild tubes, she also has a key now, which it's for metal or these foil type containers, which are a form of metal, Tammy. But anyway, you just latch the key on and it helps to push all the product down so you don't waste any product, because you can't cut these like you can a plastic tube. Anyway, on with the product. To use this, you simply put it a small amount in your hand on wet skin, and you lightly go around in circular motions, and it's just going to help to brighten the skin. It helps with clogged pores. It helps just to buff away all that dead skin, and it's using ultra fine crystals to do this. Key ingredients in this product are rose quartz, which helps to promote a natural glow, and malachite, which will neutralize free radicals, zinc, which helps with the appearance of redness, and alumina, which helps to exfoliate and evens the texture. This product is, in my opinion, very close to a professional microdermabrasion. And you'll notice when I'm sloughing around, it's with a very gentle touch. Highly effective, fantastic product. 2 new products that kind of go together, so I'm going to mention them both at once, is the Micro Mineral Soothing Toner and Colleen's Cotton. The application for this is to just sprinkle a little bit on a cotton swab and run it over your cleansed face. This will help to soften, it helps to restore and condition sensitive skin or very irritated skin with the power of crystals. And the key ingredients in this product are rose quartz. This will help to soften the skin's texture. Rose hip seed oil helps to hydrate and soothe the skin. Malachite is going to neutralize free radicals, and the rhodite garnet helps offer pollution protection. I find this to be so soothing on my sometimes sensitive, irritated skin. I am in a period when I try some new products, I get really irritated, and this has been really nice on my skin for those days. Sticking with toners, I also use Colleen Rothschild's Matcha Tea Toner, and I have talked about this in the past. This is not my first bottle of this. I have repurchased this, and usage for this is sprinkle on cotton or on your hands and just smooth it over your face Key ingredients: matcha tea, which helps to protect against free radical damage. French algae absorbs excess oil. It has a prebiotic, which helps to balance microflora of the skin. And it has fermented plankton, which delivers essential hydration. I'm able to use this without any problems at all. So I love this toner. And again, the matcha tea, antioxidants. We're always trying to get more antioxidants into our skincare. Up next is the Age Renewal Super Serum, not a new product for me. However, she did send me this bottle, but I have purchased this in the past several times. All you do after your toner, you simply put a little bit in your hands and just massage it into your skin. The key ingredients in this are Snap 8, reduces appearance of wrinkles. It has Sin Coil, which improves skin's elasticity. Guinness, which diminishes photoaging, and Blue Copper, which will restore luminosity. The feel of this is very lightweight, and this would be before your moisturizer. Really great for texture of the skin, fine wrinkles, dehydration, really a nice serum. Before we go any further, I did want to mention that you do get a muslin cloth with the cleansing balm. You've seen me use it at the end. I simply wet it with warm water and I wipe the cleansing balm off. It has a little bit of exfoliation to it. It's not rough or anything like that, but the texture of it as you're wiping off, it's helping to wipe away not only the cleansing balm, but I feel some extra dead skin cells. All right, so let's talk about some masks. We're going to talk about the one that's on my face last because it's new to me. These two masks I have been using for a while now, well over a year, and I have reordered both of them. I love both of them, and they both serve a different purpose, so I wanted you to see how I sometimes use them because I don't always need an alpha hydroxy or an enzyme on my face, but my neck and chest, but they get kind of old looking, and I like to really keep up with that. So you'll see that today I use one mask on the chest and the other on the face. So we're going to first talk about the pomegranate. That's the one I'm putting on my neck and all on my chest. I run it all the way along my shoulders, and my skin is so soft because I did do it just before I did this video. My skin just gets really soft in the areas that I use this, and I do use this on my face. It's safe to use a couple times a week. So you can see that I'm applying this to my neck. You can apply it to your face. But the key ingredients in this are pomegranate extract, which are vitamin and antioxidant rich. It does have an AHA blend, which smooths and softens the skin. It also has fruit enzymes, which will help to brighten and even out your skin tone. And it has lime caviar, which just sounds decadent, which clarifies and tightens your pores. I love this mask. As I mentioned, it can be used 1 to 2 times a week, and it can be left on 10 to 15 minutes. I always take advantage of 2 times a week, 15 minutes each time, all right? And I will use it on my face and neck all at once if my face needs it. So let's move on to the one that I put on my face, and this is the Turmeric Neem Oil Brightening Mask. Again, this mask I have talked about in the past. I've had a couple jars of it, and I just really love this mask. You can see that I'm just applying it with a brush to my whole face. The key ingredients here are turmeric and cumin, which brighten and condition the skin. It also has neem oil, which is going to come in and soothe and calm the skin. It has yogurt and honey, which softens and hydrates. It also has gotu kola, which helps to firm and strengthen the skin. I love both of these masks. I have repurchased them several times. The turmeric, it's an ancient way of masking, and brides used to do it in India. I mean, it just really, you will notice the brightening by using this mask, absolutely. Before I go any further, we always talk about, Colleen's products or another person's products, but Colleen actually has 20 years of experience in skincare. I don't think this is her first time creating her own line, but she's been very involved and active in creating some of the other lines out in the world that we have all used. Well, maybe not all of us, but I have used some of them, and I was totally unaware of her involvement. So the woman does really know what she's talking about, okay? So the Mandelic Acid Radiance Serum is only used at night. This product, you take 1 or 2 pumps and you just glide it over your skin, massage it in. The key ingredients are mandelic acid, which refines and does resurface the skin, lactic acid, which is going to help improve tone and texture, and salicylic acid, which will help to promote clear skin. And just a little tidbit of where mandelic acid comes from. It is from the bitter almond. It is a gentle but highly effective alpha hydroxy acid. So that is why I am able to use this, because it's gentler, but yet it's very effective. All right, my friends. Okay. Last but not least is the mask I'm wearing on my face. This was in my box, sent from Colleen. It is the Intense Hydrating Mask. This mask, I don't know why, but for some reason, I have never purchased it before, and I've heard so many people talk about this mask. Some people sleep in it, and they just really rave about it. Don't know why it never made it into a shopping cart, but I have it now, and it's on my skin right now. It feels fabulous on the skin, and I like to use a really hydrating, intense mask after I've done any kind of peel with an enzyme or an acid, or even the micro mineral resurfacing scrub, to use a mask afterwards. First of all, you've gotten rid of all that dead skin, so all of the wonderful ingredients that are in this intense mask are going to just absorb right into the skin. So you can see that I am applying this with a brush. The key ingredients to this intense hydrating mask are BMX complex, which will maximize hydration. It also has hyaluronic acid, which will help to plump the skin. It has pheohydrane, which protects the lipid barrier. And it also has matrixyl synth 6, which reduces the appearance of wrinkles. And I don't know any woman over 50 that doesn't need that. All right, my friends, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the muslin cloth that I have right here, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe this mask off. Okay, so I have taken the mask off, and my skin feels fabulous, and I think it looks fabulous. Beautiful. Just love it. Absolutely love it. All right, my friends, so that's it for today's video. I would like to thank Colleen for the collaboration, and also remind you that the anniversary sale is from January 21st through the 26th. Using the code 6YEARS, you will get 25% off of your purchase. I will also link Colleen's blog and website below for you, so that you can go and read up and learn about the products yourself and decide if any of them are for you. And if you are someone who has been using Colleen's products for a long time, now is the time to restock or to try something new. I know myself, I want to try her retinal eye products, and I also want to reorder the retinal night serum that I use on my off nights for my retin A. Let me know in the comments what you love from the Colleen Rothschild skincare line or body. Her hair mask is out of this world. It's probably one of the best I have ever used, and I have used over 100 hair masks. I am telling you, I am a firm believer in hair masks, and hers is fabulous if you've not tried it yet. All right, my friends? All right, my friends, I'm gonna let you go. If you haven't already subscribed, you know I'd love to have you as an Ageless Beauty. So right there, hit that subscribe button. Right next to it is a bell that notifies you every time I put a video up. Until the next time, my friends, go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.